What's the difference between typhoons, cyclones, and hurricanes? Typhoons, cyclones, and hurricanes are a wide range of weather disturbance. But what is the difference between them? Indeed, they are largely fundamentally something very similar, yet are given various names relying upon where they show up. Hurricanes are storms that occur over the North Atlantic Ocean and Northeast Pacific, while cyclones are formed over the South Pacific and Indian Ocean. On the other hand, typhoons are formed over the Northwest Pacific Ocean. For what reason do storms have names? Typhoons, hurricanes, and cyclones keep going quite a while and are given names so they can be distinguished rapidly. In many spots, the first weather disturbance or storm of a year will have a name starting with A, for example, Hurricane Alice, and the following one gets a name starting with B. Climate researchers hold gatherings to settle on new names for the following year. Names of storms which cause a great deal of harm are never utilized again. What happens in a storm? Air rises immediately when it is warmed by warm ocean water. As the air chills off once more, it is pushed aside by more warm air ascending beneath it. This cycle causes solid breezes. Hurricanes have twists quicker than 73 miles 60 minutes. What harm do storms cause? Over the ocean, typhoons can prepare enormous waves. At the point when these waves arrive at land, they can flood enormous zones, including towns and urban areas. Over land, the solid breezes can cause a great deal of harm. They can smooth homes, push over trees, and even tip over vehicles. Hurricanes typically vanish following a couple of days over land on the grounds that there is no warm ocean water there to control them. What is a highly sensitive situation or state of emergency? In the midst of extraordinary peril, maybe following a cataclysmic event like a cyclone, the public authority can pronounce a highly sensitive situation, which is also known by many as state of emergency or state of calamity in some areas. This implies the public authority or the government quits playing out its everyday obligations and rather focuses around understanding the circumstance and resolving the ongoing problems caused by a storm or any weather disturbance or uncertainties. With expanding worldwide surface temperatures, the chance of more droughts and expanded power of storms will likely happen. As more water vapor is dissipated into the air, it becomes fuel for more powerful storms to create. What would we be able to do to stop climate change? While climate change can't be halted, it very well may be eased back. To evade the most noticeably terrible outcomes of climate change, we'll have to reach net zero carbon outflows by 2050 or sooner. Net zero implies that, on balance, no more carbon is unloaded into the environment than is taken out.